spread through timber, some rivers cut through stone. But hope can move through people and turn a field into a home. We heard it first in weakness, a spark inside the chest, a sound too alive to bury, a pulse too loud to rest. So lift it high, let it roll from wounded lungs to waiting souls. Carry the sound through the smoke and strain, carry the sound till the lost hear grace, carry the sound through the shut down streets till fear forgets it ever had this place. Let every voice become a banner now, let every heart pick up the beat. We were not saved to stay silent here, carry the sound. It travels farther than our footsteps, it hits the dark before we do. It finds the rooms where shame went quiet and makes them shake with living truth. The broken start to breathe in rhythm, the weary lift their eyes again, and what was left for dead starts rising because the song has entered in. Go through the ash, go through the night, go like a fire wrapped in light. Carry the sound through the smoke and strain, carry the sound till the lost hear grace, carry the sound through the shut down streets till fear forgets it ever had this place. Let every voice become a banner now, let every heart pick up the beat. We were not saved to stay silent here, carry the sound. To the edge, to the weak, to the ones who cannot speak. Through the war, through the rain, let it thunder through the pain. Carry the sound where the chains